Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you a unique gradient photo effect that you can create in Photoshop in a matter of seconds. So we want to start off by selecting a photo. So we're using this image of a model that we've downloaded from Unsplash. We're then going to head over to create a new adjustment layer, and we want to choose gradient, which is the second option. And then we're just going to select one of the gradients available to us. So you'll have various gradients that you can choose from. So we'll go with the purple to orange. That works quite well. Select OK. Select OK on the gradient fill. And then what you want to do is change the blend mode to be soft light. And there you go. It's created like a really cool, unique gradient effect. So we can turn it off and we can see the original. It's quite cool. And if you want to play around with it even further and see what other combinations you can come up with, you can look at some of the presets available and look at an alternative gradient that you might want to apply to your design instead. There you go. So that's a quick way you can create a gradient photo effect in Photoshop in a matter of seconds. Hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for the quick tips on how to use Photoshop.